Okay, hello guys. In the past lesson, I do something really stupid, and I'm going to fix it. Something I've forgotten about this class is that we must put some self here, because if we don't put self, it's not going to work right. The programming is all about the problems and fixing them. Don't afraid of problems and just try to fix them. Because of that, I didn't look at the last lesson's video to make another one. Just doing it now. Okay, if we create the self, let's delete this line too. Now, let's create. As you can see, it's giving us 445. It's the true answer. Okay, now for 5, 281. Now, as you must understand, we somehow create a sum function that calculate the sum of the students' numbers. Okay, now we put another function. Def why it's doing okay, def final score, def final, for example, and put self in it, and it's just easy score with return. Let's say return sum. It's easy score. Just do final is equal to sum let me just copy this line and put it in a and by 6, divided it by 6. Okay, let's run it and call, for example, final. It's bigger. It don't have anything to return. Sorry, return final. It's giving us an average score of each student. Okay, we now created our functions. In the next lessons, what we are going to do, we are gonna make another column in our score project and add total sum and average here. Until next lessons, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.